to borrow from foreign countries, saying it was justified. The president, while speaking during the burial of former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka's Peter Mairu Musyoka's father, said the government needs extra funding necessary for extension and expansion of infrastructure and other projects. This, he said, was the only way the country was to achieve development goals. He was responding to ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi, who had earlier asked him to cut down on borrowing.
Lakini lazima tutafute pesa kwa sababu zetu hazitoshi. Ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba the needs of the people are also met. But we must borrow, which I agree, in a manner that we are sure we can actually service the debt that we incur. And I am positive that if we focus ourselves on opening up this country through infrastructure projects like we are doing, we will not only expand the GDP of this country, we will not only expand the opportunity, kwa sababu barabara ikifika hapa Sekuru, sio ni kumaanisha hii town yote sasa itafunguka na watu wataanza kufanya mabiashara. Sio ni kumaanisha ya kwamba uchumi utapanuka, na uchumi wa Sekuru ukipanuka, si uchumi wa Kenya pia umepanuka. So we must just be cautious and prudent that we are not borrowing to consume, but we are borrowing to grow. And that must continue if we are to meet the infrastructure deficit that this country has, and if we are going to be in a position to be able to start expanding our GDP and creating opportunities elsewhere outside of the major capitals. Ama Nairobi, ati Kisumu, ati Mombasa. Mtu ukitaka kufanya biashara, ati Nairobi peke yake. Tunataka mtu wa Sekuru pia afanye biashara kama yule mtu wa Nairobi. And that cannot happen without water, without electricity, without roads.